This is the Climber robot. It's going to interrogate the sides of an obstacle to see which side it can climb. It's using the blue tape on the floor to determine the length of the wall. It will back up into a midway point and turn towards the obstacle to evaluate is it able to climb. So first it has to advance to the red line. It has to adjust its orientation to the box to ensure it is aligned. And then once it gets into alignment, what I did was I turned it to emphasize how it can test the surface to adjust its orientation to the box prior to testing the side to see if it can be climbed. What you're going to see as it approaches, there's a difference between the two sensors, and it's going to adjust itself back and forth until it gets to a relative perpendicular angle. And then it turns on a color sensor and determine the RGB sensor, and it determined that in this case the white surface is not allowed to be climbed. So what it's going to do now is work its way to the next side of the obstacle. Again, it's using blue painter's tape. The use of the optical sensor, the length of the box was pretty short, which caused some issues with it. There wasn't enough surface area with even a little bit of movement. So we reverted over to the blue painter's tape, which introduced Achilles heel to the device, impacting its ability to climb over rough surfaces. So now it's turning to take a measurement to the next side of the box, or the obstacle. And as it advances, it identifies the first blue line. It will come across